Is your WordPress still giving generic answers that have nothing to do with your website?
What if your WordPress could answer questions using only your own content?
In this video, I'll show you how to train your WordPress AI using your posts, PDFs, and websites.
First, navigate to your dashboard and select Add New Plugin.
Search for Antimanual and simply install and activate it. After installing the plugin, configure the OpenAI API key obtained from the OpenAI website, select the required models, and then save your settings. Next, navigate to the knowledge base. Here, you can train your AI using 4 different methods. You can add your existing WordPress posts to the knowledge base. Simply select the topic and click Add to Knowledge Base. The AI will automatically include it in the knowledge base. Alternatively, you can use the bulk action feature to add multiple items to the knowledge base at once, saving time. You can also view added and non-added items, as well as update existing entries. You can also train your AI using PDF documents. Select your PDF file and click Submit. The AI will automatically add it to the knowledge base. You can add multiple PDF files based on your needs. Not only that, Antimanual allows you to train your AI by using website URL links. You can also use custom text to train your AI. Simply paste your text and click Add to Knowledge Base. It will be added automatically. You can add as many text entries as you want.